Greetings, this is Abigail speaking. I thought I would log in to my host and try to record a video similar to the one you sent me in efforts to show you some of the errors and conflicts I'm running into. So here I am on my dashboard, and I'll go ahead and just view the site first to show you some of the inconsistencies I see right here in the viewing mode. You can see that we start to encounter some things here where the contact me is a little off. It's skewing or obscuring the text. Here the slider for some reason is duplicating itself. Things here are positioned off center, and the trend of everything being sort of displaced kind of continues. You can see that this is definitely wrong, and as we continue down to the bottom, the same sort of things follow suit. So obviously I would want to try to correct all of these, and it's easier for me to be able to try to do that if I can see everything here in the front end, and that's why I wanted the Visual Builder plugin in the first place. So if I enable the Visual Builder, this is what pops up for me. Okay, so this is what it looks like as I'm waiting, which sort of indicates some glitches right off the bat for me, since there's usually only one. Now, first and foremost, we notice that the slider is completely missing from this page. Also, when I go to click on an element, a line of code opens, and it continues this way all the way through. Now, of course, it does give me the option to go ahead and start typing, but you can see that there's glitching happening here as well. And I definitely don't want to touch anything in this text because I am not code equipped. I don't speak the language, and I don't want to mess anything up on my website. But you can see there's obvious glitching all the way through. And of course, even if I click on an element here, in the content area, what should be visible is what's written here. Broad experience is always a bonus. But it's represented in a line of code, and this code, I'm guessing, represents all of the elements that we see here, which again I don't want to touch and is definitely not what I'm looking for. So these are the types of things that I am coming into contact with, and what I was trying to explain to you beforehand. I am using Bluehost as opposed to WordPress as a host, and I don't know if that has something to do with it. Obviously not, because when you sent me the video, everything was working fine for you. I am also logged in on Safari as well, so I don't know if maybe that is causing a problem. Maybe I should try logging in through Chrome and or Firefox, and I will try those alternative engines and see if that helps. But hopefully this gives you a better idea of what I was trying to explain to you, and will give you some insight maybe as to where I should go from here. Thanks.